Here we are, it's a Golf. Hey.
The next day,
It drives really nicely. The engine light's on, but it drives great. Yeah, I don't think this will be too bad. We've got an emissions workshop warning. Oh well. This car was only £300. I think it's bloody good. Let's have a look around it. It's a bit scuffed along here. It's all very nice in here. Good condition. Have a look in the back. Look, the seats are great. Look, clean headliner. That's what we want to see. Have a look in the boot. Some old oil and some sellotape. Spare wheel. Oh, and a road map. It's not bad. Oh my days. This is why deceased estate cars are great. What on earth? Right. Well, that changes it a little bit.
Show me the money! Show me the money!
2 hours later.
I've still got a few warning lights. Well, one. But yeah, this is quite the upgrade.